we on recording or something? I'm not really sure. Oh, it's okay. It's not asking. Okay, so you need to create a discussion post. You just go here. If you want to just discuss within the group, you go to start discussion like here, and you post your discussion here, and you add your picture or your video here. Now, if you want to sell something, I would advise to use this one because this one is visible over the group. The group is over 1,000, and beyond those 1,100 something, you have all the people around in Facebook who could see it. So sell something here is more valuable than just start a discussion. So I'll go for sell something and okay, great. So you have what are you selling, your price. For example, if you are just talking about one of your book, you add the price of your book, and this is more visible. Do it for each single book, but don't do it the same day because it would be like you are washing everyone. Do it like once a week, you just post one of your book. Add the title of your book here. It's better than just leaving it at or saying a book. Add your price, your location, and your description. Don't forget to say something personal. Yes, that's awesome. Would be one a week, so it's not like rushing people, and you are in charge of children's book. So definitely you're going to have so many more people coming to you because they want to be part of the promo. And by that way, you would be like nice to welcome them and so on. You could be like, okay, this is what I do. And also I'm doing it for free. At some point of time, when you know each other, you could say, okay, I'm doing it for free for the good of everyone. So I would love to have your review. So it's easier than just the first day, hey, I'm here, this is all the books, and you have to buy it in the same day. What else I wanted to show you? Okay, you have also the files. People who are curious, they go here and they have the files somewhere. No, this is not. Items for sale. Okay, you have this link, and in this link, you have all the books saved in the group. So even if you are not talking to someone who likes you, that person could go here in items for sale and grab your book without even telling you. All the books in the group are here. So if you add your book, it should be featured here. There is a file, yeah. So you have to create a file like a doc or a Google Sheet or doc file, and you add inside of the file. For example, here we have some videos posted by. I have to close this one second. This video, #1 introduction, was posted by Carl Roger Melby. So you could watch this one, or you have this Bill Morgenstein cover. He revised his cover and he posted it here. So you have all these files. And I know Kelly is working on the file for the young adult section. And he's also working on, I don't remember which one. He's working on something else, and he's going to add it here. So every time you have a new book, you come back to your file and you just add a link and your book into that file. So anyone who comes into this group could just watch it. And why I'm doing it this way, so organized, because I'm heading to 10,000 people in this group. So it's better to have it organized now before we reach that place. And also, one thing is really important. Most of the group people doesn't care about anyone. So no one cares. They just come and drop their links and they go. The thing is, right now, I'm trying to have this like family-like, so everyone feels comfortable to come back. Which link do you need? Oh, you can't see the picture. Do you want me to log out and log in again and send you a new link? Okay.